Today I'm going to show you how to create a 3D printed QR code. First, you need to generate the QR code from an online QR code generator website. Okay, and my preference is go to the I prefer QR code monkey. So let's go to the website. QRcodemonkey.com. You need to generate your QR code in SVG file format. Alright, I'll do a simple one. I use my email. Okay, and I need to click on create QR code. And save as SVG file. You can use other websites that can save it as SVG file format. Okay, there are other websites, but I prefer this one for some reason. Okay, it's saved. So the next thing I need to do is open up my Blender. Okay, I've already opened up here. Now, let's remove all this camera, lighting, and boxes that, when you open up the Blender you get all these objects. Okay, let's try to import in the QR code that I've saved. Now if you don't get as this file import format function, you need to update your Blender. Okay, let's try to import. Okay, I save as QR code to SVG. Import. Now what you get is a very small object, so you need to enlarge it. So I'll just select, scale it to workable size. Okay. Okay, let me just work into an angle that I can work with. Okay, this is the best angle I can work with. Okay, now let me just explain a bit what happened here. Now when you import the SVG file into Blender, you notice that you create a lot of curves. Okay, we're going to join all these. If you want, you can delete it. Now because it had created so many curves, we need to join them together. So we join all the curves to curve dot 001. So I select curve dot 01 and I select all. Then under the object, select join. You notice that all of this curve will join to curve dot 001. Okay, let's do that. There you can notice it's all joined there as one object. Now the next thing is that because we need to extrude the faces, we need to convert this into a mesh. Okay, let me just try to enlarge this. Move this up. Object. Under object menu, there's a convert mesh from curve. There you go. See, you notice that it has changed to mesh. Now what we need to do next is that we need to extrude the faces. Okay, so we just click on edit. Select all the faces. Oops, sorry. Once you select the faces under the edit mode. Okay, in the mesh tools, there's an extrude function, extrude region, and then you move your cursor up, and there you go. Your 2D image become a 3D image, 3D object. So the next thing is that well, this is optional because it's a bit hard to see. So what I'll do is I will change it back to object. This is black. I just add some diffuser under the material. Change this. There you go. Now you get a 3D model of your QR code. Now to really print this, you need to have a platform underneath. Okay, so I use back the cube that comes with the Blender when it first started. Okay, just move this into middle, scale it, create a platform. Okay, just a simple platform like this. Oops. Okay, let's do some alignment to it. Okay, X, Y, and Z center. Okay, align under object, transform, align objects, Y, and then align objects again on the X. There. There you go. Now you're ready to print. Okay. Select both the platform and your QR code, and then go to File and export as STL. That's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, the other thing is that you have to, for some 3D printer software, it cannot calculate the surface, so you may need to convert the QR code or invert or calculate these faces. You go to edit mode, select all. Okay, I'll just select all. You have to calculate the faces. Sorry, here. Recalculate outside video.